students, welcome to the next lecture of organic chemistry. In this lecture, we will discuss about mesomeric effect. What is mesomeric effect? The presence of some groups introduces resonance in certain molecules, which thereby cause the generation of centers of low electron density or high electron density in such systems through delocalization of the pi electrons or the non-bonding n electrons. Such an electron displacement effect caused by the phenomenon of resonance is called resonance effect or mesomeric effect. It is denoted as R effect or M effect. Mesomeric effect is a permanent electron displacement effect involving the permanent polarization as a result of interaction between two pi bonds in a conjugated system or between a pi bond and a lone pair of electrons in the system. Conjugated system means systems having alternate, single and multiple bonds. Benzene is an example for a conjugated system. Depending upon the nature of the group present adjacent to a multiple bond in an organic molecule, the resonance effect or mesomeric effect can be of two types. One is positive mesomeric effect or plus M effect, and the other one is negative mesomeric effect or minus M effect. When the electron density of the conjugated system increases by the substituting group through resonance, the phenomenon is called positive mesomeric or plus M effect. When the electron density of the conjugated system decreases by a group through resonance, then it is called minus M effect. Positive mesomeric effect results when the attached group releases the electrons to the rest of the molecular entity by delocalization. Due to this effect, the electron density on the rest of the molecule is increased. Examples of functional groups showing positive mesomeric effect are OH group, OR group, NH2 group, etc. In the example shown here, in the molecule aniline, NH2 is substituted on benzene ring. The electron pair, the lone pair of electrons of nitrogen is donated to the benzene ring so that nitrogen gains a positive charge and the negative charge is delocalized throughout the ring, and thus the electron density on the benzene ring is increased. The resonance structures are shown here. As the lone pair of electrons shifts to the benzene ring gets a minus charge. That minus charge is delocalized along the ring in these three, that is shown in these three structures, structure 2, 3 and 4. And due to this delocalization, the benzene ring is more reactive towards aromatic electrophilic substitution. Thus, the groups which show plus M effect are called activating groups. That is, the benzene ring is more activated towards aromatic electrophilic substitution. When the ring gets a negative charge, it has a more tendency to react with an electrophile. An electrophile is an electron-loving species. Hence, the aromatic electrophilic substitution character of the benzene ring is increased by the presence of activating groups such as NH2, OH, OR, etc. which show plus M effect. Then what is negative mesomeric effect? Negative mesomeric effect is shown by substituents or groups that withdraw electrons by delocalization from the rest of the molecule. Thus, the electron density on the rest of the molecular entity is decreased due to negative mesomeric effect. Examples of groups showing minus M effect are NO2, CO, CN, COOH groups, etc. In nitrobenzene, the pi electron cloud is pulled towards the NO2 functional group so that the electron density of the benzene ring decreases. The resonance structures are shown here. As the pi electron density is pulled towards the NO2 functional group, the second oxygen also gains a negative charge, and a double bond is formed between carbon and nitrogen, and the adjacent position will have a positive charge. This positive charge is delocalized across the benzene ring, which is shown by the resonance structures 2, 3 and 4. And thus the benzene ring becomes electron deficient. So groups showing -m effect are called deactivating groups because these groups make benzene ring less reactive towards aromatic electrophilic substitution. As the electron density of the benzene ring decreases by the substitution of groups having negative mesomeric effect, the reactivity of the aromatic ring towards electrophilic substitution decreases. Thus, the groups showing -m effect are called deactivating groups. Next is the comparison of inductive effect with mesomeric effect. Inductive effect refers to a bonding electron displacement in a polar bond that is transmitted along the bonds of a carbon chain. In inductive effect, no complete transfer of electrons is involved. Whereas mesomeric effect refers to an electron displacement effect caused by the phenomenon of resonance in a molecule. Inductive effect requires the presence of a polar bond. In the case of mesomeric effect, it requires the presence of multiple bonds, or the system should be conjugated. Inductive effect does not involve the delocalization of electrons and causes only partial charge separation between atoms connected by a sigma bond. Mesomeric effect involves delocalization of pi electrons or n electrons, that is non-bonding electrons, resulting in the generation of centers having low electron density or high electron density in the molecule. The strength of the inductive effect decreases steadily with increasing distance from the substituent, and mesomeric effect is not distance dependent.